Hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Chandel. For today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys on a tour of the 2-bedroom villa at Disney's Old Key West, where I stayed with my family in August of 2019. For this trip, there was supposed to be 9 of us, but as it got closer to the time for the trip, we found out that my sister and her family were not going to be able to go, and basically under the circumstances, I just went ahead and kept the 2-bedroom, even though there was just 4 of us attending now. But I can tell you that this room is plenty big. It would be great if you have up to a family of 9. There's plenty of space. I love Old Key West. I think I say that about every resort, but I really love Old Key West. This is just from us driving from the entrance to Building 55, where we stayed, where our room was. I did recently buy Disney Vacation Club through a resale contract, and I chose Old Key West as my home resort. I'm absolutely going to be staying there again. I absolutely love this resort. So now I'm going to show you our room. Okay, so even though I didn't show you that I opened the door, obviously I'm in the 2-bedroom. Immediately to your left, or immediately here to the left of this room anyway, was this big closet. As you can see, there's a high chair, there's a vacuum, shelf, plenty of space there. Further into the entryway, there was this cute little mirror. Oops, didn't want to see myself. Cute little place on the entryway if you wanted to, say, like, leave your keys, leave your magic bands. Okay, so we're still right here, right off the entryway. We're gonna go ahead and start in the 2nd bedroom. Apparently, I liked the carpet. In the 2nd bedroom here, there are 2 queen-size beds, and as you'll see, there's a ceiling fan in the room. Over in this corner is a nice little table and chairs. I liked the light that was hanging above there, and of course there's the artwork behind. I love this little piece of art here, the signs. It's really cute. I like that the 2-bedroom has lots of windows, lots of light coming in here. I do want to point out that the beds look kind of messy because at this point some of us had already taken naps, so I kind of tried to fix them. This is not how housekeeping makes the beds, just so you know. I just kind of slapped that together for the video. So there in the middle, as you can see, there is a end table. It does have storage underneath and the drawer. There was no USB ports in this room. There are other plugs in the room though. Over by the table, there was one on the other side of the bed. So there still are plenty of plugs, there just were no USB ports in this particular bedroom. Over across from the beds, you'll see there's that dresser here. There's 4 drawers and that little cubby space in the middle. The TV here was a little smaller than I expected, but it worked fine. It actually pulls away from the wall a little bit and turns where you can tilt it towards the beds more, or you could turn it towards like the little table more. Another window in the same room. So the closet in this room, or the first closet rather in this room, it's actually a pretty big closet. I like the size of it. Plenty of space in here. There is a shelf on top, and there is a light that comes on in this closet. Right on the other side of that dresser that I showed you is the first bathroom. So what I really liked about this 2-bedroom at Old Key West is there's extra vanities. So there's a bathroom, and then there's also an extra vanity outside of the bathroom. Nice big spacious closet, room on top to store stuff. Pretty decent sized vanity. I like the mirror, I like the space that's there. Cubbies and storage underneath here. Then right next to that is the main bathroom in this bedroom. I love the frosted window up on top. Again, brings in some light, and I just really love that. So here's the vanity that's actually inside the bathroom. It's pretty much the same size as the one on the outside. I think it has a little more storage space. The cubbies are a little deeper in this one. Here's the art above the toilet. I like the shower. That subway tile in the shower is pretty. The colors, I just like the colors in this bathroom anyway, I guess. Of course, it comes with the bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and there's still a little cubby if you bring your own items as well. Behind the door, the towels hang. I don't know why I'm showing the floor, but here on the back of the door, there's at least one hook. And then of course there's the mirror on the other side of this door. Now let's go back down the hallway the opposite direction and show you the master bedroom. I tried to fix the bed, but not that great. Again, housekeeping does not leave the beds looking like that. That was all me. I really like this room. It's really big. It's got a king-size bed. There's that nice dresser with the drawers. This bench actually has storage. I like this little chair with the ottoman. Seems like an excessive amount of lamps, but who am I to judge? Lots of windows again. The door back there goes out to our patio that we shared. On either side of this king-size bed, there was a bedside table. No USB ports on those tables, as I recall, but there are USB ports on the dresser underneath the TV. I don't know why I showed you the condensation on the windows. Obviously, hot and humid in August outside. It was nice and cool inside, and it leaves the windows kind of condensated like that. Out to the patio it is. Okay, so onto the patio. We had a gorgeous view. Look at this. I love this. It was nice and peaceful. For me, it was a very quiet room. It was quiet outside when we went on the patio. This is the door that goes to the living area. We'll show you that in a second. Right there, that was one of the pools. We were very close to the pool. It was right next to us. We actually didn't use the pool on this trip, but it was right there. Also, ceiling fan out here on this patio. I mentioned it being quiet. These boats would go through every once in a while, and they would honk. I never heard the honks when I was inside, but I don't know if anybody else has complaints about the boats. I didn't really hear them myself. also noticed that there was this wall outlet outside in case you took stuff outside you wanted to plug in. Okay, so going back into the master bedroom, we'll head towards the master bathroom. Oh, but first I have to show you the artwork in this bedroom. Goes along with the theming nicely. Into the master bathroom, there is yet another closet, and I don't think I bothered to open that closet for this video. But then there's a vanity, there's the tub here, lots of space. That little window thing, which I still am not completely sure what that is or what it's for, but there it is. Somebody tell me what that little window is supposed to be for. So here's the first vanity outside of the master bathroom. Plenty of space there, lots more cubby space in this one. Another mirror on the back of this door that goes into the master bathroom. Another even bigger vanity inside of the master bathroom. As you see, there's more cubbies for towels and storage underneath there. Another one of those frosted windows that I love. And of course, there's the stand-up shower. It was a pretty big shower. So in this shower, it's got both a hand shower and kind of a waterfall shower above. Still have the cubby if you bring your own items, and once again the bottles of shampoo, conditioner, and body wash in this one. I didn't show it because I think we all know what toilets look like, but yeah, there's a toilet in here. Moving on from the master bathroom, there's another door to that bathroom that leads right into this little laundry room. I really loved that this 2-bedroom in Old Key West has full-size washer and dryer in its own little laundry room. It's a nice big laundry room. Right across from here you have also the ironing board, the iron. You saw on the shelf, laundry basket, dustpan. Here's a second door. Back behind that there was a squeegee. There's a broom, and there was like a mop handle, but there was not a mop actually attached to it. Right outside of the laundry room was this cool picture on the wall. I'm going to start back at the entryway and take you to the living area. Huge living room. I love this. As you can see, there's a sofa. There is like a love seat. There was a nice big armchair. Here's a closer look at the living room area. I like that artwork on the wall so much. This chair actually turns out into a twin size sleeper. This sofa turns out into a queen size sleeper. Look at all the windows. I was just in love with this place because I like there to be a lot of light, and I liked all the windows. We had blinds to close at night, but it was wonderful. Again, ceiling fan in the living room. And there's that door that goes out to the patio. And there are blinds that cover the door as well as those 2 windows that you saw next to it. Look how big the TV is. I don't know what size it is, but it's a really huge TV. There is a Blu-ray player down there. The dining room table here only seats 4 people, but I guess with the table in the other room that seats 2 and just sitting around the living room area with the coffee table, you can kind of make it work if you have a full 9 people staying in this room. I like this area over here. There was extra storage. The pillows and the blankets that go on the sofa bed and that chair bed are underneath the storage there, but there was still space if you wanted to put some of your own items. And then, of course, a full-size kitchen with pretty much everything you need. Your full-size refrigerator, microwave, stove, tons of cabinets, obviously the sink's over there. On the other side of where the TV is, we use this little pantry for our dry goods, for our snacks. There's lots of plugs in that area. This is just showing you where it is in relation to the front door. I didn't go through all of these cabinets, but all the cabinets had something in them. Either dishes to cook with, there are plates and bowls, there are cups. There's your toaster, oven mitts if you're gonna cook. I guess a little coffee service. I don't drink coffee, can't tell you how good that was. Oh yeah, forgot about the dishwasher, which we did not use, but it's there if you need to use it. They do give you a little bottle of dishwashing soap and a sponge. There was soap for the dishwasher. More places where you could store some of your things too. Overall, this was a great room. I absolutely loved it. Well, that's it for the room tour of this 2-bedroom at Old Key West. Let me know if you have any questions. Maybe I didn't show something and you want to know what's there, or I only partially showed something and you want to know more about it. Let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions. If you're new to the channel and you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know the next time that I make a video. That's it for now, you guys. I'll see you next time. See you real soon.